lovelies, welcome back to another attic updates vlog. Today we're going to have some more organizing. We're going to have a lot of sewing, but we are starting off with another little mail time segment, which is exciting because I went to the mailing address again and there was more stuff. So I hope I have everything, so I had to bring it all up from downstairs and I hope I grabbed every package. But the first thing, which I'm quite excited about, it's already open because it arrived on Saturday. I couldn't get in on the Saturday and the box said perishable on it, so I was like, okay, open it, find out what it is, we'll figure it out. And that is a plant! Someone sent me a plant that I've been wanting for a long time. It's a maidenhair fern, and it's just so nice. Like, look how like wispy and delicate and nice it is. I just love it so much. It looks like little paint dabs. Oh, this is really pretty and I'm very, very excited about it. I really hope I can keep it alive. But yeah, so that was there. So I went in and got this on Monday. Until then it was just chilling out in the shop. So I'm really, really glad that they were okay with it living there until I could get in for it. That was very sweet of them to look after it for me. But yes, lovely little plant. I am so, so happy with this. There was no note or anything, so thank you so much to everyone who's, thank you so much to the person who sent this. I love it. I am very, very happy with it. I'm just going to disappear into it and live in it. Okay, next up. Oh, cool! So this is something that was on my Amazon. Oh! Okay, so there's no note with this either, but this is awesome. It's like this really cool water bottle that looks like a pill, and then it actually has like a little included pill case that you can put like your vitamins, or if you're on a medication you can put it in there, and it like slots onto the bottle. And I just thought this was really, really cool because I am bad for remembering to drink water, and I am also bad for remembering to take things like vitamins and stuff. So I thought this would be great to like have sitting in my attic, sitting in my attic with me to try to remind me of things like that. So this is so cool. Plus it reminds me of the whole sort of like Yami Kawaii Menhera type thing. There's a lot of debate on the names of that back and forth, and I've read all of it and I still don't really know, so we're just going with both. But I just thought this was so cute, so thank you to whoever sent me this. That is adorable. It's always really nice whenever I put things like on there just to remind myself like, hey, get this at some point, and it turns up at my house. Like, that's amazing. You guys are so sweet. Okay, next up is something in a little packet. What's this? Oh! Cute! It's like this little freaking, like, what do you call it? Like a curtain type thing. But it's like spider web and it comes down to like a big bat at the bottom. Oh my gosh, where can we put that? Can I put it up here? Ooh, ooh, or in the bedroom. This, because I mean it would hang better in the bedroom. This might go in the bedroom. This is so cool. I love this. Can you see the bat and everything? Oh my god, thank you so much. Oh, bedroom just leveled up, which is good because I want to be doing a bedroom tour soon. It's almost ready. Almost there. This is another little package. Generally the things that come in like these sort of random packages don't have notes, but the things that come in actual Amazon boxes might. So let me just see. Oh, I know what this is. Oh gosh, you guys are so sweet. So this is like a little skirt that was on my wish list because I want it for, oh wait, does this have a note? No. No, this is just the, so it's like a pink freaking metallic mini skirt type thing. I had this on here because there's like an outfit that I want to put together involving something like this. So yeah, it's like a really flared big old skater skirt and it's like all metallic and stuff. That is really cute. I'm going to keep this safe so I can gather up the other things that I want for that particular outfit. And eventually it'll be coming your way. But yeah, thank you. That is so cute. Okay, another small little packet. Yes. Fuck me. Oh my god. It's like a little white collar and bow tie for a cat. For Sebastian, no less. Oh my god, I cannot wait to put this on him. Oh my god, that is so cute. Thank you so much. I can't wait. He's gonna be so fancy. I need to wear a fancy outfit too so we can be fancy together. That is so cute. Thank you. Oh my god, I can't wait. He's gonna hit me. Okay, finally we have a box of some description. Who and why? Ooh, what are you? Hello? Oh, cute! Yay! So I have something sort of similar to this, but not the same one, and I've been wanting this for a while. It's a Harry Potter cauldron soup mug. Let me just see if I can open this up. Yay! So it's like a little soup mug. This will be great for up here because this is where I have all my soups now with my little kettle. So it's a little Harry Potter soup mug. Does this one have a note? Oh. No. Damn it, that's a shame. It has like a little cardboard thing on top to make it look like a cauldron. That is so cute, and I cannot wait to have some soup in my soup mug. Thank you so much to everyone who sent these things. I'm sorry there are no notes for me to like thank you by name, but just know that I am excited and appreciate it greatly. So yeah, thank you. Oh, look at my little plant. Look at it there. All right, let's get on with this attic vlog. Let's get some stuff done. I could survive a zombie apocalypse up here. Not having a cute day. Okay, so I am trying to build up some energy and motivation to actually get up and do things. I have done some things, but I ran out of steam, so now I am trying to find the energy to do more things, but while I'm doing that, I am going to figure out some more of what I need for up here and like sort of continue building my list on that so it's all in one place so I remember the things that I'm planning on doing. Okay, so we are having problems in this area. So for one, the hook that was holding the curtain that went across here came out and I can't get it back in myself, so I have to wait for Jake to help me with that. And then the other problem is I had like planks, like way more planks of wood like across here trying to hold this section back because this is like the actual attic storage section. It's just like old clothes and stuff that I haven't dealt with. But like the planks of wood were not working. They kept just like slipping out and everything would fall out and then they'd all fall and it'd be a big mess. So I've taken most of them away. I'm leaving those ones for now just because I think they're still slightly holding some stuff up. But I've ordered some bungee cord. So what I'm going to do is kind of like put a bunch of hooks top to bottom and then like bungee cord like a web to hold all that back properly. And because like bungee cords are good and sturdy, that should work better. And they'll actually be attached into something rather than just sitting on the ground and sliding out, if you get me. So that's the plan to make that whole mess a bit neater. This wall is now almost clear, so this side is almost sorted, basically. I moved all the gloomy bears to a new spot in the living room, and now they're neat and out of the way, but still visible, so I'm happy with that. There's a whole bunch of stuff I want to do, but most of it I can't really do until new stuff arrives, so this chair is still without a cover, so I need to make the cover for it, and I have the fabric here, but then I realized I'm going to need a zip. And I don't have a zip, so I've ordered a zip, so we can't do anything until I get the zip. I was just looking through one of my little stashes of Spooky Box Club stuff that I haven't used yet, and I found the little glittery bat garland thing that I haven't put together yet, so I might do that and like hang that up behind the wall I usually film against, like, you know, on the tooth thing maybe? If not, it'll hang somewhere else, but yeah. Alright, the zip arrived. Hopefully it's the right size so that I can get started on that cushion, which means it is time to sew, but kinda need to fix my desk first. This is like, I've cleaned like so much of the attic, like look how nice this whole side is now, but I've been putting off this desk, so I need to do that. Okay, I'm never good at sewing, but I am extra rusty right now, but I got it done. It's not the neatest in the world, but it doesn't have to be for what it is, so I'm glad I started on the curtains to warm up before I try to tackle the cushion, because that's gonna have to be a lot nicer. Ooh, but yeah, I had one really bad screw up there, so that was a learning experience. Let's try again. else ever just kind of like... I don't know. I'm just kind of tired of being sad for no reason. Alright, so here we are, a few weeks later. Feeling a little bit better. Still not as mopey as I just was though. But yeah, I thought I'd done more since that day, but I guess not. So right now things up here are pretty messy. That needs to be sorted out, but I think I will leave that for next time. We've already had some cleaning up in this video. But another thing I want to show you before the end of this is I got a new rug from Necessary Evil and Kate's Clothing. And I've had it for ages, but because I've been like, you know, trying to do stuff in the attic first, I haven't actually even opened it yet to have a look. So let's have a look at the cool new rug. I'm really excited to see what it looks like in real life. It's still all packaged up, so I don't even have a place to put this just yet until I clean, which I realize is the flaw in this plan, but screw it. We want to see the rug. I actually still don't really know where I want to put this. I just know I want it somewhere. Oh, it feels really soft. Ta-da! It's a bat! This is like such a soft, like, plush rug. It's really, really nice actually. Can you see? So this is cute. Or maybe even, I might end up putting it downstairs if I can't find anywhere up here for it, but it's gonna go somewhere because it's super, super cute. I wish I had more space up here for just all the cute rugs. But yeah, this is my new rug from Necessary Evil. I will leave a link to this down below. You should definitely check it out. Okay. All right. So I think for now we will wrap this attic vlog up here. So we got some stuff done. All the curtains now, all the little curtains for down the sides of the attic are all completely finished. They're a bit ugly. I didn't hem them or anything, so I couldn't really be bothered, and it doesn't matter that much. Maybe someday I will if like the tattered look annoys me. But right now they serve their purpose of just covering up all the bits that I wanted covered. So I got those sewed, got those finished, that's all good. I made a start on the cushion cover for the chair and then got stressed and irritated and like it just, I have an issue that I haven't been able to figure out yet. So in the next vlog we'll figure out that and hopefully finish that cushion, just because it's a very tiny sewing machine with a lot of fabric needing to be sewn in an awkward way. So I just got a bit stuck. I got like half the zip sewn on or like a quarter of the zip sewn on before things went wrong. But I'm hoping I will figure that out so we can finish that and we can have the nice chair. I can't find a plant stand slash plant pot that I like yet for the plant that I've just brought the plant up here. It's been downstairs for ages, like without a solid home, just getting moved around. So I've brought it up into the attic, but it's just in one of those basic like orange plastic pots right now. It's not cute, so I need to figure out that so it can have like a permanent place. It's going to go over on the grey wall. And I need to put up the new tapestry I got from Killstar. That is something that will be done next time. Just lots of little decorating bits next time, I think. But we are getting somewhere. But we're in a constant cycle of the attic being extremely messy and then being nice and tidy, and then it's extremely messy again, and then it's nice and tidy. We're just gonna be, I've come to terms with the fact that that's how it will be forever. But I hope you like this one. I think this attic video was a little bit shorter than some of the past ones, but it's been a while, so I just wanted to get this out there for you guys, and then we can start a new fresh one. But for right now, it is quite late. I am very, very tired, and I have a lot to be getting on with, so I will love yous and leave yous. Leave me a wee comment. Leave me a wee thumbs up. I love to hear from you guys, love to see you interacting. If you haven't yet for any reason, consider subscribing, and if you already have, or if you're about to, make sure you hit the bell so that you get all the notifications for new videos so you don't miss any, because as we've learned from some videos on this channel, YouTube hates me and doesn't tell you guys about fun videos I put out. It only tells you about very specific videos and then nothing else, and then people are like, hey, why do you only make these videos? And I'm like, I don't, I make other videos, but YouTube doesn't tell you. That's the problem we face, so hit the bell is what I'm saying. And finally, before I go, if you could check out my Patreon, I would just love you forever and ever and ever. Every single person who signs up and supports me on there, just know that I am radiating love and good positive energy at you because you are wonderful. And I will see you all next time. Bye, lovelies!